the Qualimed Hospital Group, and IE Medica and MedEthics, the Vice Chairman of the Generica Group of Companies, and a Director at Consulta MD. He is a member of the Ayala Group Management Committee. He obtained his Bachelor of Science degree in Management Engineering from the Ateneo de Manila University and his Master's in Business Administration with honors from the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania. Let's all welcome Mr. Paolo Boromeo.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. First, to Mapua University, led by Dr. Ray Vea, Dean, Dr. Amaya Santos, big congratulations. Dr. Bonnie, Doma, our friends at Sintana, Dr. Francisco Gutierrez, Justin, Fabia, and of course, my idol, Fred Ayala. And to all of our distinguished friends from this healthcare industry and our colleagues from media, welcome and a big congratulations again to Mapua University and Sintana on this milestone event. I'm joined by our CEO, our Healthway Medical Network CEO, Jimmy Ismael, and our CHRO, Sean Zantua. And we're just so honored to be here, Dr. Vea and Fred. And I remember, I think it was in early 2021 when you first introduced Sintana to AC Health, and you said, wow, I think we're on the cusp of something special here. This was in the middle of the pandemic. And back then I said, Fred, clearly the pandemic has exposed significant gaps in the sector, especially in terms of capacity building and resources. Kulang talagang ang tao, diba? Kailangan ng tulong. And I think the country badly needed help from a staffing and training and skilling perspective. And so when Fred offered the opportunity to meet with Francisco, we said absolutely. And it feels just like yesterday, but what a journey it's been over the last 2 years. Bonnie, I know a lot of different discussions, obstacles that we had to go through, but I'm just so proud and so excited to be here with all of you after all of those months and years of planning. I think that problem has only exacerbated. I sit as the Private Sector Advisory Council head for healthcare for President Marcos. And number one on our recommendations is to address the nursing crisis. I think when we first met, it wasn't quite a crisis yet, Fred, but now it is really a nursing crisis. And alam po natin yun, no, na marami tayong mga nurse na ayaw na po magtrabaho sa ospital. No? Ayaw na, pagod na. And hindi mo naman masisisi kasi mahirap talagang trabaho. It's a very difficult responsibility. And not just nurses, we have allied professionals that we sorely need. We need doctors, we need pharmacists, rad techs, med techs, lahat na. No? But nurse po ang pinakamalaking problema natin. And we work closely with the Department of Health and with Chad. In fact, Fred sits on those meetings too. We need, I think, 90,000 nurses. 90,000 nurses po over the next 3 to 5 years. And that's because we have nurses who chose different careers. No? And again, you cannot fault them. But they chose different careers. They go to the hospitality industry, or they go to the BPO industry, or naghanap ng ibang buhay sa ibang bansa, right? And again, we cannot fault them, right? To us, as a country, though, it presents a unique opportunity to uplift our educational system and create more nurses, more quality nurses that can not only supply our needs, both in the public healthcare system, but also in the private sector, but also the needs of other countries. And I think Mapua has shown yet again that it is at the forefront of these kinds of trends and being one with the national agenda in trying to address the staffing challenge in healthcare. So I congratulate Mapua University and Sintana and the Arizona State University, again on this milestone event. And rest assured that we at AC Health and the Healthway Medical Network will be here to support. We're delighted to be providing training and scholarship programs to help the school and to further equip our next generation of healthcare professionals. And I'm sure that by leveraging our network of hospitals and clinics and linking that to the Mapua School of Health Sciences, educational expertise, I'm confident we can help mold the next generation of medical practitioners and healthcare leaders for the future. With that, congratulations again to Mapua for this launch, and we look forward to this new partnership with you. Thank you very much.